Hey there, money lovers. Ever heard of cryptocurrency? It's the buzzword that's been making headlines for a while now. But what exactly is it, and why should you care? Well, let's dive in and find out. Cryptocurrency is digital money, like Bitcoin, but cooler. Imagine having a currency that's not controlled by any government or bank. It's decentralized, meaning it's powered by its users. This makes it more secure and transparent. Bitcoin was the first, but now there are thousands of different cryptocurrencies out there. One of the newcomers in this exciting world is called PiNetwork, and it's making waves. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies that require expensive hardware and a lot of electricity to mine, PiNetwork is designed to be accessible to everyone. It's a revolutionary concept that's changing the way we think about digital money. Now, Pi wants to make it crazy easy for you to get into the crypto game. The app is user-friendly and designed for people who might not be tech-savvy. You don't need to understand complex algorithms or have a background in computer science. If you can use a smartphone, you can mine Pi. Forget about expensive mining rigs and complicated setups. Traditional cryptocurrency mining can be a daunting task. It requires specialized equipment, a lot of technical know-how, and can be very costly. Not to mention it consumes a huge amount of electricity, which isn't great for the environment. With Pi, you mine on your phone. Yes, you heard that right. All you need is a smartphone and the PiNetwork app. It's as simple as tapping a button once a day to start mining. No need for any additional hardware or software. It's mining made easy. Yeah, you heard right, your phone. This is a game changer in the world of cryptocurrency. Imagine being able to mine digital currency while you're on the go. Whether you're commuting to work, waiting in line, or just relaxing at home, it's convenient and accessible to everyone. It's like having a tiny, money-making machine in your pocket. Sounds pretty good, right? And the best part is, it's free to join. You don't have to invest any money to start mining Pi, just download the app, sign up, and you're ready to go. So why not give it a try and see what all the fuss is about? The future of money is here, and it's called PiNetwork. So, how does this whole phone mining thing work? It's actually pretty simple. You download the PiNetwork app, create an account, and boom, you're mining Pi. You don't need to keep the app open or anything. Just tap a button once a day to let them know you're still active. It's like clocking in for your digital mining shift. Easy peasy! Now, you might be wondering, okay, I'm mining Pi, but what can I actually do with it? Well, my friend, that's where things get exciting. People are already using Pi to buy stuff in the real world. We're talking everything from a cup of coffee in Vietnam to, get this, a car in China. That's right, someone bought a car with Pi. Talk about crypto going mainstream. Now, to make spending your Pi even easier, there's this cool company called Zipto. They've created a special wallet just for Pi. Think of it like your digital Pi piggy bank. Zipto is working on making it super simple to pay for things with Pi directly from your wallet. They're even planning to give you virtual Visa cards that you can use with Apple Pay and Google Pay. How convenient is that? Section 5, the government says hold on. Now before you go all in on Pi, there's one little thing we gotta talk about. The government, yeah, those guys always gotta get involved, right? Some countries like China and Vietnam are a bit wary of Pi. They're not sure what to make of it yet. So there might be some rules and regulations coming down the pipeline, just something to keep in mind. Section 6, to Pi or not to Pi. So, with all this talk about Pi, you're probably wondering, is this Pi thing legit or is it just another one of those internet scams? It's a question that has been on the minds of many, especially in this age where digital currencies and online platforms are popping up left and right. The concept of Pi, a new form of cryptocurrency, has certainly caught the attention of both enthusiasts and skeptics alike. But what exactly is Pi, and why is there so much buzz around it? Well, that's the million-dollar question, isn't it? Pi is a digital currency that you can mine on your phone. Unlike traditional cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, which require significant computational power and energy, Pi aims to be more accessible and eco-friendly. The idea is that anyone with a smartphone can participate in the network and earn Pi coins. But, as with any new technology, there are a lot of unknowns and uncertainties. The truth is, nobody knows for sure yet. The project is still in its early stages, and while the potential is there, it's hard to predict how things will unfold. Some experts argue that Pi could revolutionize the way we think about digital currencies, making them more inclusive and sustainable. Others caution that it might just be another flash in the pan, a trend that fades away as quickly as it appeared. Some people are super hyped about Pi and believe it's going to be the next big thing. They see it as an opportunity to get in on the ground floor of a potentially groundbreaking technology. These early adopters are excited about the possibilities and are actively participating in the Pi network, hoping that their efforts will pay off in the long run. Others are more cautious and want to wait and see what happens. They prefer to take a more measured approach, observing how the project develops before committing their time and resources. This cautious optimism is understandable, given the volatile nature of the cryptocurrency market and the numerous scams that have plagued it over the years. It's up to you to decide what you believe. Do you want to be an early adopter, taking a chance on a new and unproven technology? Or do you prefer to wait and see, letting others test the waters before you dive in? Whatever you choose, it's important to do your research and make an informed decision. The world of digital currencies is exciting and full of potential, but it's also fraught with risks. So, to Pi or not to Pi, the choice is yours. Section 7, PiPay and PayPal, a match made in financial heaven. Imagine this. You're browsing online, filling up your virtual shopping cart, adding all those items you've been eyeing for weeks. Maybe it's a new gadget, some trendy clothes, or even groceries for the week. The convenience of online shopping is unparalleled, right? You can shop from the comfort of your home, avoiding the long lines and crowded stores. But then comes the moment of truth, the checkout process. And when it comes time to pay, you see a new option, PiPay. This isn't just another payment method, it's a revolutionary way to handle transactions. Imagine the ease of having another secure and efficient option at your fingertips. No more fumbling for your credit card or worrying about entering sensitive information. PiPay promises to streamline the entire process. That's right, Pi integrated seamlessly with PayPal, the king of online payments. PayPal has been a trusted name in the industry for years, known for its reliability and security. Now with PiPay joining forces, the possibilities are endless. Imagine a world where your digital wallet is more versatile than ever, combining the strengths of both platforms to offer you the best of both worlds. Okay, so this part is still in the works, but wouldn't it be amazing? The developers are hard at work envisioning a future where payments are not just transactions but experiences. They're imagining interfaces that are intuitive and user-friendly, making the payment process almost enjoyable. Think about the potential for innovation here. From augmented reality shopping experiences to instant currency conversions, paying with Pi could be as easy as clicking a button. Talk about financial freedom. No more hassle, no more delays. Just a smooth, seamless transaction that leaves you feeling empowered and in control. This is the future of online payments, where convenience meets security and innovation drives progress. Imagine the peace of mind knowing that your transactions are not only fast, but also secure. This is what PiPay and PayPal aim to achieve, a match truly made in financial heaven. Section 8. The future of money is here. Whether PiNetwork becomes the next Bitcoin or fades away like a forgotten meme, one thing's for sure, the way we think about and use money is changing. Cryptocurrency is here to stay, and Pi is just one example of how it's shaking things up. So buckle up, Buttercup, because the future of finance is going to be one wild ride. Section 9. Join the Pi revolution. So what are you waiting for? Download the PiNetwork app, start mining those digital coins, and join the Pi revolution. Who knows, maybe one day you'll be buying a car with Pi. Stranger things have happened. And hey, if you want to learn more about the crazy world of cryptocurrency, make sure to check out my other videos. Stay informed, stay curious, and most importantly, stay wealthy.